What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you have an amazing day. Today I wanted to do a quick video on these two different cases here for the iPad mini 6. So I'm gonna do a quick comparison video of that. One's gonna be the Apple's version of the iPad mini case, and one's gonna be a Amazon product that I picked out that looked promising. So we'll be doing that. Before we get into that, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get into this thing. Alright, so first things first, here's what the iPad mini looks like. If you guys don't know already, it does have a magnetic side, so that way you can attach an Apple Pencil to it. Very strong magnet, very high quality. You know how Apple does. They don't mess around. I do have a privacy screen protector on it right now, so that's why it might be a little bit hard to kind of see the screen itself. But very nice product, but very pricey, so you definitely want to have something protecting this at all costs, at all times. So I did pick up a couple of cases to try out, show you guys, and and just in case you don't want to break the bank, paying for a case, because you already spent a ton of money on this Apple product. I got a nice $12.99 product, $13 case to compare to Apple's $60 product. So we're going to be doing that right now. First, I'm going to show you Apple's version, just because it's the easiest to get on. It's literally just two flaps. There's no curves. There's no, it doesn't sit in anything. It's just a magnetic case that goes around your product, and then the Apple Pencil kind of hangs out on the side. So let's go ahead and try that out. I'm gonna put that on here. As you can see, you literally just put it on, and it sets itself in place like that. And it flips around like that, and then your Apple Pencil just kind of hangs off to the side, just like this. So there's what it looks like there. So the back looks like it's like a matte finish. It does have the Apple logo. I know you can't probably, no, maybe you can see it. Very faint Apple logo. There it is. Okay, on the back, that's what you're paying for. It's still a very nice design. Just very pricey for what it is. I mean, it is high quality. It's just magnet, which is very satisfying. It doesn't give you that full protection, really. It does the job for sure, but I feel like for the price, it should offer you a bit more protection. I would say maybe something for the Apple Pencil to lay in, so that way you're not losing it. It doesn't bump somewhere and it falls off. But there's that. Now, if you haven't seen the unboxing video for this, I do have that below for you. So go ahead and check that out. This one's a little bit more of a snug fit. It actually has something for it to slide into, and then it's got a slot here for your Apple Pencil, which I was a bit concerned that it wasn't going to allow the Apple Pencil to charge while sitting on its side like it's supposed to, because of this little piece of plastic here, but it actually does. So my overall opinion on the two, they're both great cases, 100%. Now, if you got the money and you want to spend the money, go ahead and get this. But if you're like, man, I already just spent all this money on this product, I really don't want to spend any more, get this case. I promise you it will do just fine. It looks great, it feels great, it's a snug fit, it's not going to slip out. Same with the Apple Pencil, snug fit, it's not going to slip out. Keeps that protected. Now, if you're running around and you're taking notes and you're doing this and you're doing that with your iPad, you definitely don't want it to slip out. You don't want to lose that expensive Apple Pencil. So keep it safe, get a case. I will leave a link in the description below for both of these products. So if you want to get a case and you already have an iPad, Mini, go ahead and click the link below, get yourself a case. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.